My association with Peter Dombrovskis began silently, well over 30 years ago, when I became an ardent admirer of his beautiful poetic work, whose flowing, cherished rhythms in quiet spaces gently won me over. Our work together, only recently formalised for the National Library of Australia monograph and its accompanying exhibition, and perhaps like all aesthetic engagements, comes from and returns to a collaborative priority. That is, a shared belief possessed by neither, but a language nonetheless, composed in the joining of hands, eyes and minds. But nor should we credit our collaborations beyond their merit. Through collaboration, we are simply collecting the richness of shared human significance in the best ways we know how. These are keen conversations that transfigure words into gestures, thoughts into actions, and dreams into deeds. Works of art, if they are not merely egotistical, blur the distinction between doer and thinker, between the burden of words over actions and the propriety of self over other. Even the creative act itself presumes collaboration, acknowledged or not, of times past, present and future. Conversations that begin with our cohabitation of this earth and its collective understanding.